Section 1. Demystifying de-multiplexers. What are they? Have you ever wondered how a single cable can carry multiple TV channels, or how your phone receives data from different apps simultaneously? The answer lies in clever electronic components called de-multiplexers. Imagine a mail sorter in a busy post office. It takes a single stream of mail and directs each letter to its designated box based on the address. That's essentially what a de-multiplexer does with electronic signals. De-multiplexers, often shortened to demux, are like electronic traffic controllers. They take a single input signal and route it to one of several outputs. Think of it as a switchboard operator connecting a single phone line to different extensions based on the dialed number. In essence, a de-multiplexer is a multi-output switch. It selects which output will receive the input signal based on a separate select signal. This select signal acts like the address label on your mail, telling the demux where to send the data. Section 2. Decoding the magic, how de-multiplexers work. Now let's peek inside this electronic traffic controller. A de-multiplexer consists of logic gates, the building blocks of digital circuits. These gates act like tiny switches that open or close depending on the input signals. Imagine you have a 1 to 4 de-multiplexer. It has 1 input, 4 outputs, and 2 select lines. The select lines determine which of the 4 outputs will receive the input signal. If the select lines carry the binary code 00, the input will be directed to the first output. Similarly, 01 will route the signal to the second output, and so on. The number of select lines determines how many outputs a de-multiplexer can handle. A demux with n select lines can control 2 to the power of n outputs, so 2 select lines can handle 4 outputs, 3 lines can handle 8 outputs, and so on. Section 3. De-multiplexers in action, real-world examples. De-multiplexers are everywhere in our electronics-driven world. Your cable TV box uses them to separate different channels from a single cable. Your computer uses them to route data from the processor to different components like the RAM, hard drive, and graphics card. Even your smartphone relies on de-multiplexers to manage data from various sensors, GPS, and cellular networks. Without demux, our devices would drown in a sea of jumbled signals. Think of de-multiplexers as the unsung heroes of the electronics world. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that data reaches the correct destination and our devices function seamlessly. Section 4. Understanding the essentials, de-multiplexers in electronics. In the fascinating world of electronics, understanding fundamental components like de-multiplexers is crucial. They are the backbone of modern communication systems, computers, and countless other electronic devices. By mastering the concept of de-multiplexing, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of our technology-driven world. Just like understanding the alphabet helps us read, understanding de-multiplexers opens doors to comprehending the language of electronics. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, science rules.